Did you know that eating cherries regularly can reduce inflammation by up to 35%? Yes, you heard that right. These small, vibrant fruits pack a powerful punch when it comes to fighting inflammation. That's just one of the incredible health benefits this superfood offers. But there's so much more to cherries than meets the eye. Cherries aren't just sweet treats. They're nature's secret superfood. They have been cherished for centuries, not only for their delightful taste, but also for their medicinal properties. Packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, these tiny fruits can make a big difference in your health. Imagine a fruit that can help you feel better and look better, all while tasting delicious. In this video, we'll uncover why cherries deserve a spot in your diet and how they can transform your well-being. From boosting your immune system to enhancing your skin health, cherries have it all. Many people today face chronic inflammation, heart issues, or weakened immunity, often turning to synthetic solutions. These solutions can sometimes come with unwanted side effects. But what if a natural remedy could help? What if something as simple as adding cherries to your diet could make a significant difference? Superfoods like cherries may be the answer to improving overall health naturally. They are a natural, delicious way to support your body's needs. Let's dive into the nutritional powerhouse of cherries and explore the myriad of benefits they offer. First, they're rich in vitamin C and potassium, which are essential for heart health. These nutrients help maintain healthy blood pressure and support overall cardiovascular function. Second, they're loaded with anthocyanins, which provide powerful anti-inflammatory effects. These compounds are what give cherries their deep red color and are known to reduce inflammation and pain. And third, they're high in antioxidants that combat free radicals and slow the aging process. Antioxidants are crucial for protecting your cells from damage and keeping your skin youthful. Cherries are not just delicious, they're functional foods that boost immunity and promote overall wellness. Including them in your diet can help you feel more energetic and resilient. Now, here's the climax. A recent study revealed that individuals who consume cherries daily experience significant reductions in joint pain and improved recovery after exercise. This is particularly beneficial for athletes and those with arthritis. Sarah, a longtime arthritis sufferer, shares her story of relief after introducing cherries to her diet. Her journey is a testament to the power of natural foods. She went from struggling with pain to living a more active and joyful life. Her experience shows that small dietary changes can lead to significant health improvements. Incorporating cherries into your meals isn't just tasty, it's a step toward a healthier, happier you. Whether you add them to your breakfast, lunch, or dinner, the benefits are undeniable. Whether fresh, dried, or juiced, this superfood is packed with benefits. You can enjoy them in various forms and still reap the health rewards. What's your favorite way to enjoy cherries? Do you prefer them fresh, in a smoothie, or perhaps as a topping on your favorite dessert? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear how you incorporate this superfood into your diet. Watch this video and more on Cal Wayne Health TV YouTube channel for the best insights on superfoods and natural remedies. Stay connected for more tips to help you live a healthier and more vibrant life. Let's unlock the secrets to better health together. Join our community and discover the power of natural foods.